Hey, welcome back.
We're back again.
It's Nate.
And me. Lee.
It's you.
Yeah.
Wow!
I almost forgot who I was. I'm so excited.
You're Lee.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Who's he?
Chibi-Robo.
Oh.
Stop rhyming! Ah! We're in the kitchen.
Oh, we're high up.
Yeah. Not for long, though. We're just looking. They have a little garden in their kitchen. Isn't that the cutest thing ever?
Mm-hmm.
But actually, we're going back to the foyer.
The foyer.
Yay! Uh-oh. They're
You-
here, and they have their guns.
But now we have the cup, right?
Yes. No, this is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that it flashes when it gets hit, even though, like,
Nothing happens.
there's no, like, durability on the cup or anything. Why aren't they just aiming for the feet? God, they're just going for it, though, aren't they?
I hope those are like little Nerf balls.
They are.
Yeah.
Like, airsoft kind of stuff. This guy has about 1 million weird little minced oaths, he says.
Mm-hmm.
You shouldn't have been shooting at him.
This guy that we were trying to kill could be our ally.
Not anymore.
Man, this is a violent game.
Telly, shut up!
Ooh.
Mysterious. Are you scared?
No.
Oh.
It's just a basement.
Scary basement.
Oh, look, it's well lit.
Actually, yeah, this is a surprisingly well-lit basement.
Get the box. Aw, come on.
Got more important things to do. Oh no.
Oh no.
First.
Nice aim.
Gotta be closer. But nope. Okay.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh man.
That's a really good little musical sting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Should we plug into that?
Yes.
What the heck? You can't actually set that off until you do this little event.
Oh, okay.
You think this is a good idea?
He's gonna take all your energy. He's a big guy. He needs lots of food.
This music is always like the saddest thing.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
That's what you get for plugging into weird stuff. Are we okay? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you're the one who told us to come down here.
God. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Jeez.
Bye, Chibi-Robo.
Bye. Telly's so dramatic.
Yeah. I can't believe Chibi-Robo's freaking dead.
You get this weird, like, video sequence here.
Aw, I like
Here's some
these
backstory.
drawings. They're really cute.
Yeah. Really like the arm wrestling one. He's not even trying, he's just like, what is this?
now they're...
Dog looks a little fucked up. Oh.
What is happening in this one?
He's carrying a box for him.
Yeah, but...
He's helping, and they're really happy about it. I like this one.
Oh, that one's cute.
He's their friend.
Huh. Whoa. What's happening? Oh, he was...
expensive.
Mm-hmm.
So they put him in the basement.
Well, that's not nice.
Yeah, well, I mean, makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, too bad Chibi-Robo's dead, too.
Yeah. Well, goodbye.
That's the end of the game. It's the whole game.
Very short.
Yeah. Jeez.
Whoa.
Same.
I never noticed that poster in the background.
Oh my god! I haven't seen that one either.
It's pretty good.
Oh, there's a little bit of energy left in the battery. Patelli knows what's up.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't know what that might be.
But, whatever.
Oh no, is he gonna start crying again?
Oh my god, Telly. Really good water effect.
Mm-hmm.
You know, everyone talks about how good the water effects on the GameCube were.
This must be what they meant. Telly!
Jeez.
Everybody in this game needs to chill out. Oh, he's here.
I'm fine. There's tears everywhere.
Oh, that's pretty. Like, says he would have like taken out his own parts to fix
That's
you.
so sad.
Yeah. Oh, our big friend is named Giga-Robo.
It's Giga-Robo. Hey, he's like, okay, well, bye.
Clean it up.
At least those tears are worth a lot of happy points. It's kind of dark.
Yeah. Giga battery.
Yeah, we got a battery.
He's back.
God.
Oh.
Oh, here's my favorite character. Well, second favorite character, because Drake's my favorite character. But this guy rules.
It makes sense that this guy would be one of your favorites.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
He's just a wooden pirate that lives in the basement.
Yeah. Which explains that wooden pirate ship we saw buried in the outside.
Mm-hmm. Does it?
It's probably his.
Hmm.
Makes sense.
But then why is it out there?
I don't know. Doesn't explain why it's out there, it just explains what it is. Telly, please.
Maybe Tully won't cry anymore.
Telly will probably cry a lot in this game.
We'll all cry a lot. There's some sad moments.
Oh, yeah. Everybody loved Giga-Robo, except he cost too much. Wow.
Aww.
Jeez.
I like his like wood pattern.
Yeah, it looks really good. Pirate metaphors.
You can just watch this animation all day.
He's just bugging out.
Is Is this Tully's first time seeing like a toy that's alive? Like, was he around?
No, he was around for
Oh yeah, he was
saw
around
Drake.
for Drake. Yeah,
and he saw Sophie too.
that's true. Yeah.
It's Captain Plankbeard.
Nice name.
Not very threatening.
Oh my god, tiny.
I love every animation Telly has.
That is pretty sad.
That is really grim, actually.
Yeah.
I'm thirsty. He's just drinking water.
Oh
That's all he's
no,
drinking.
he's a healthy boy.
Jeez. So you want to listen to his sad tale of woe?
Sure. I guess. I don't really want to be sad, but
It's a tale of woe. He said it right there.
maybe we shouldn't.
Yes.
No.
Jeez. Really? Scurvy? Remember how there was a robot pirate in Skyward Sword named Skirvo?
I never got that far in
He's
Skyward
awesome,
Sword.
but he has the best like possible robot pirate name.
Skirvo.
Skirvo. Isn't that great?
I guess the robots can get.
He didn't actually have scurvy. He looked
Oh.
pretty healthy. Actually, he kind of looked pretty old. You should look that part up. It's cool.
Yeah, I will. Now it's time to do this.
Yeah.
Whatever this is.
Same. I'm also about this. Sorry.
So oh no.
Making a bad joke.
Yeah, I interrupted it, so it's all good.
What were you saying?
I was just gonna say, like, I really like how all the things that you can break have a sticker on them, so it's just like, I think about like Jenny going around the house putting stickers
Like,
on things to
so,
try
like,
to fix
keep
them.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah, that's actually really cute.
Yeah, that's my headcanon.
I don't even think that's a headcanon. I think that's just real. I like how everything has like weird themes in every area. I don't know what this theme is supposed to be.
Basement.
I guess. No, I mean like under the outlet there's always like a weird symbol.
Yeah.
It's like either an orange or an apple or like a butterfly or something.
Yeah, I don't know what that one is.
There's not usually a lot to do in the basement, but there are a couple things we can do. Also, there's like a bunch of old like ad memorabilia and it rules.
That's really cool. Nice jump.
Really good.
Oh, what's that?
Gunpowder.
Oh.
Also, like a ton of like old memorabilia stuff, and it's awesome. Like cheesy, like 50s illustrations kind of stuff.
Just, stuff that you would have in your basement.
Yeah, exactly. Or like car batteries, or gunpowder.
Dead robots.
A dead robot. It's not dead.
Sorry, I wasn't listening to that pirate.
Should have been. So we don't really have time to get everything done up here right now, but we did knock down this rope. So there's this bird cage up here that's all rusted and old. It's still got bird poop in it. Ew.
Ew, I never noticed that before.
I think you can scrub it.
Chibi-Robo's life is nothing but danger.
Go har har har. But that's all we can do up here for right now. The charger's right over there, but we can't actually reach it.
That's all, folks.
I like how the plug also just carefully drifts down after you. But we didn't get the charger this time. We will. We'll come back and get it.
Let's see how we did.
Oh boy.
Oh,
Hey, that's pretty good.
I I mean, that wasn't that much of a change.
Hey, come on. That's a lot.
You've gone down by like hundreds of thousands at once.
Yeah, that's true. But it's the lower ones that count. I'm sure Chibi-Robo randos don't mean anything.
Kind of want a game about like the Chibi-Robo that's like really poorly ranked.
That's what this is. You start really poorly ranked.
Well,
and
no,
then you get
you start really poorly ranked because every Chibi-Robo starts poorly ranked. I mean, one that's been poorly ranked all of his life.
better. That's really sad. Why would you want to play that?
I don't know.
Also, they're talking about the company that made you.
Mm-hmm. Citrusoft.
Yeah, Citrusoft, and you were created by a Dr. Joy Ibisu.
Oh, nice.
I don't get it.
I don't either.
But yeah, Citrusoft is the name of the company that makes Chibi-Robo in this game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, whatever. I love it.
Oh, I love that.
Where he just like loses, he totally spaces out for a second.
Yeah, and he says, "Oh,"
Oh.
like, and it's really big.
Yeah. Just like steam comes off him for some reason.
It's like bigger than you are.
Yeah. We'll actually go get the charger after that, and then we can start interacting with this.
Mm-hmm.
But as of right now, like, we gotta have the charger before we can do anything. It's just here now. Yes.
Whoa.
We will save this time, so you can see what the save screen looks like.
I love the ambient noise.
It makes
on
like a
this
tape
screen.
sound.
Yeah.
But anyway, see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.